This session will allow the analysis of interference tests between one observation well and two production wells. A Saphir file is open with loaded data. In the Map tab, the properties and geometry of the different wells can be seen. The observation and the active wells are all vertical. The rates of the active well for the analysis are shown in the history plot, while those of the other wells can be seen in the Schedule tab for each well. In the analysis information, the analysis is defined as an interference test between the observation well and active well 1 and is renamed accordingly. The analysis type can be set to interference while creating a new document or a new analysis. For an interference test, the well distance is required as an input under test parameters and the porosity becomes an output of the model. The history plot shows the pressure data at the observation well and the rate data at active well 1. The automatic extract delta P creates the log-lot and semi-log plots for the last shut-in of active well 1. On the log-lot plot, diagnostic lines can be interactively dragged to match the data. With the history plot maximized, plot-specific options can be viewed in the toolbar at the top right. The interference diagnostic option, specific to an interference analysis, can be activated from this toolbar. The continuous horizontal line defines the initial average pressure value at the beginning of the rate history. The dashed line is a result of superposition of the line source solution using the active well rate history. It can be adjusted interactively to fit the pressure data at the observation well, which updates the permeability and porosity values as shown. Once a satisfactory match is obtained, an automatic analytical model can be generated. The data are now matched on the log-lot, semi-log, and history plots along the rate history of active well 1. A separate analysis can be conducted with a different active or observation well. In this example, a new analysis is initialized from the existing analysis. The active well is changed to active well 2. The well distance is automatically updated using the location of the new active well on the map. The remaining setup is kept the same. The automatic extract delta P creates the log-lot and semi-log plots on the final buildup for active well 2. The history plot continues to show the pressure at the observation well, but now displays the rates at active well 2. The interference diagnostic tools are activated on the history plot and the initial pressure is set to a lower value at the beginning of the rate history of active well 2. Once done, the diagnostic tools can be adjusted to match the pressure data as before. Once a satisfactory match is obtained, an analytical model can be generated after resetting the time range for the simulation. The second part of the data, corresponding to the interference from active well 2, are now well matched on the log-lot, semi-log, and history plots. This concludes this Saphir session on interference test analysis.